every valley shall be filled. And then the second, every mountain and hill made low. Mamadaliin ko na. Ano ba yung bundok na dapat patagin sa buhay mo? Meron ka bang bundok o burol na dapat patagin ng Diyos para mahanda ka lamang kaligtasan? Naku, napakarami niyan, mga kapatid. Sari-saring style ang kataasan, kayabangan ng tao. Haughtiness, pride of people. Iba't ibang uri yan. May matigas na ulo, may stubborn, sari-saring katigasan. Yan ang kayabangan ng tao na humahad lang sa kanyang kaligtasan. It's pride that hinders salvation, you know? And so, in the message of John the Baptist, every mountain and hill shall be brought low. He who exalts himself shall be abased. Humble yourself in the sight of the Lord, and He will lift you up.